Measure the length from the screw hole in the end of the clamping collar. Next, using measurements, cut extensions 1/8 of an inch shorter than overall length to not damage the waterproofing. Then file the edges to remove sharp edges. Next, lay a bead of sealant on the waterproofing and set the extension in place. Install extensions to clamp the collar with stainless steel screw. Measure the distance between the wall to the curb and subtract 1/4 inch from the total length. Then, cut the channel covers to length and round off the edges. This will minimize the chance of damaging the waterproofing. Finally, install channel covers onto clamping collar and extensions.